encounter with that guy was pretty creepy. I'm gonna keep going. Right. Guys, it's been a while. I'm actually at door 50, and I encountered that guy again, and also I encountered a new guy. I had to hide in the closet 3 times. I had to go in, out, in, out, in, out. It was really difficult, but we're at this place. It's called Figures. It's supposed to say library, but it says shut down on the sign that says library, and then it says farm. So we're gonna go in here, and wait a minute, I hear something in there. Oh shoot, what is that thing, guys? I better be quiet. Oh, that was a close one. Okay, let's progress. What the heck? This is the preview room. Hold on, I think this is the new movie that's going to be coming out called Giant Microbe Movie. It's a good movie, I think. I haven't filmed it yet. Anyways, let's keep going. Guys, this is the guy I was talking about. Oh, shoot, I gotta hurry. I found a trick. If you go behind here, you don't have to go in and out of the closet. See, guys, he didn't even see me back here. Alright, let's progress. Alright, guys, I decided to take a break. I just found something new. It's that thing. Oh, shoot. It's so creepy. I don't want to look at it. It's so creepy. Ouch. So creepy. So creepy. What the? Oh, that was creepy. Okay, guys, let's progress once again. Ooh, the door's right here. Alright, guys, I'm filming this. What is that thing? All I know is that I'm supposed to run. Go under here. Closet. This might be my only way to freedom. Oh, that was really close, guys. I'm gonna get out. That was really creepy. I hope I don't have to do that again. Okay, so let's progress. Guys, I gotta hide. Why won't this open? I feel like there's somebody in there. Hurry, get out. If there's somebody... What the frick is that thing? Is it gone? Okay, it's gone, I guess. I really had to hurry on that one. Oh, that was scary. Oh. What is that thing? Ah, it's chasing me. Ah, no, it's in front of me. Okay, go through the door. I just realized, guys, that said that it was door 100. Does this mean I'll get to leave, or will I just stay here forever? Oh, shoot, I gotta be quiet. This is creepy, guys. I'm gonna make a run for it. Hurry, open the door. Yes, freedom. Finally, freedom. Yay. Now I can make the Giant Microbes movie. Bye.